I got y'all right here on the daily. If y'all see my last video, you would know we're at the crunch time right now. Cause I mentioned in the last video, once he come up here and hit the 20 EMA on the daily, that we could get rejected and come down here to this line, which is around $36,000 for Bitcoin. And as you can see right here, the daily candle is just started at 7 p.m. and we're getting rejected. But it's a possibility to get rejected a little bit, right? Come down on top of this candle and reverse. So once we break this close, well, this high of this candle on a close, right? That means we're going down. But if we reverse from this high right here on this particular candle, that means we good. So we got to about what? It's about 43,000, right? At the very low. If it passed 43,000, we coming down to 37,000, no doubt. Like I said, I've been had this marked on the calendar, not the calendar, but the chart, because I already know that's the next place it's gonna go once we had the major retrace like we are now. So y'all look out for this thing dropping down to 36,000, possibly, if we don't break through. Because the day and tomorrow is literally gonna tell you everything we need to know. Because long story short, like once we hit that, we can reverse it and continue on back to our highs, right? But like I did mention before, because we had these candlesticks. But it's another possibility coming down with these candlesticks. So keep this in mind. We could come down to 29,000, 30,000 now. That is still a possibility. But like I said, we got to wait until see what we do here. But clearly, like it's reversing. But we going to see after this candle start, by tomorrow around 7 p.m., we going to know for a fact of what it's doing. Because throughout tomorrow, it's either going down or it's going up. It's no if, ands, or but about it. Because it could go all the way down, right? Boom, hit this line, then shoot straight back up to the 100 EMA, like straight at 50,000. Like that's what's going to end up happening if we do come all the way down to 37, 36,000. We're going to have a quick move back to 50. That's what's going to happen. But like I said, if we don't, we come back up to 50. Because either way it goes, we coming out this gap, and the gap is around 50,000, right? Y'all see it right here. Come down here, straight at 50,000. Or right now, we can just continue on and go to 50,000. But this is definitely the next resistance line right here. Can you see this doji right here? That's 1, 2, 3, 4 dojis right here in the same area. So you know 50,000 and a half range, 50,500 is the range. That's the next range we're looking at for another retracement. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all make your own judgment on what y'all want to do. Look at this 4 hourly real fast. I mean, it just all shows the same thing. On a 4 hourly, it appears that it's reversing. Because you can see we came out here, boom, tapped the 20 EMA. Right now, we're coming down to the 50. And on a 4 hourly, if we break the 50 and break this 20, we coming down to 37, 36,000. Regardless of the fact. Even though we got a nice spike down, you know what I'm saying, at 39.5. But, like I said, there's still a candle that hasn't been recovered. So it's all a possibility. And like I said before, you know what I'm saying? Like before we even had to run recently. Like I even mentioned this before. Like that's why I have this marked down. I haven't changed this since the beginning, you know what I'm saying? For almost like a half a year. This stayed the same. And y'all can see, I already was planning on, this is what I said, y'all go all the way back to the video. I said we should make a W like this so we don't have to worry about this later. And we're worrying about it later. Like that's what's happening, man. You complete this pattern and then completely reverse it. Turn to a head and shoulders going straight down. But we see it tap to 50 and we see it tap to 20. So I mean, honestly, I really do think it's still going down. In my opinion, you know, y'all make your own judgments because y'all grown, you feel me? But in my opinion, I believe we're going down one more level to 37, 36,000. And, you know, that goes for the rest of the market too. But at the same time, there is some coins that is not completely following Bitcoin's pattern. Like they're going to end up breaking out as the market going down. The rest of it will go up. Not the rest of it, but you know what I'm saying? The chosen few coins. I might post them on there. I'm going to do my regular coins I usually do, and then I might post some freebies. Or y'all can just, you know, comment below what y'all want done. If I got some time, I'll go ahead and do them for y'all. But yeah, like I said, if we don't break through this 20, coming out 37, 36,000, boom. If we do break through the 20, we coming all the way up here to its 100 EMA, 50,000, particularly more like 50,500. Slight retracement, hit this 100 day or the 50 day, but it's right there by each other. Either one of these two, right? And reverse and continue our way on up back towards our all-time highs. And then also, like I mentioned before, whenever we make the reversal, look at the weekly. This is one tap to the high. This is two taps to the high. Like I said before, the third time is always the charm. So this will basically be an inverted head and shoulders whenever we do make the reversal. And as y'all can see, the lows is actually, you know what I'm saying, higher than the previous lows. Like right now, it's right here basically even. Almost, but I'm pretty sure it's probably off by like $10, $15. Like that's how technical they get. But you know what I mean? Either way it goes, I mean, we're in for a reversal. But like I said, even on a weekly, right, it will show this right here. We were literally below the 50 EMA. Literally. So if it was to take this drop, like I said before, to this area, guess what will happen? The 20 EMA will actually touch the 50 EMA. And then we'll see that reversal. And then guess what will happen then? It'll look like an extremely large W on the 20 EMA, literally. That's what it would be. So, I mean, it looks like it's going down. I'm just being honest with y'all. It's going down, man. There's a chance it could break out now. Don't get me wrong. It's always a chance it could break out, but it's going back down. It's going, like I said, it's going to 37, 36,000. And we'll see about the other coins. I might do some more coins, but I mean, like I said, for Bitcoin, 36, 37,000. If we don't break through the 20, if we do break through the 20, we're looking at 5,500. So that's $50,500. That's what we're looking at before another retracement. So y'all got the levels, you know what I'm saying? But y'all make your own decisions on what y'all want to do, because none of this is financial advice at all. But anyways, y'all be good. Peace.